In a more developed world like the 21st century, how can one be so intoxicated that he falls into a deep sleep while behind the wheel? But when he finally opened up his eyes, chaos overpowered him. Join us as we uncover the gripping tale of a man who wakes up to a reality he never could have imagined. On April 25, 2022, in the bustling town of Oxford, Mississippi, something unimaginable caught the eye of the local police. A truck, parked right in the middle of the intersection where Highway 7 meets the Highway 6 crossover, became the center of attention. Inside the truck, there's Eddie Antonio Booker Jr., a 39-year-old from Taylor, Mississippi, seemingly in a deep slumber behind the wheel. As the police approached the truck, they began to assess the situation at hand. What could have led Eddie to this bizarre predicament? Is he okay? And most importantly, what could have caused him to fall into such a deep sleep right in the heart of the intersection?
Hey, yo! Dude, wake up! Check the doors. Hey, my man! Can you wake up? Hey, my man, can you wake up?
The tension rose as the police approached the truck, knocking on the doors with urgency. They called out to Eddie, instructing him to put the car in park and open the door. His eyes are glazed, and he seems to have lost touch with reality.
I got a car to park. Man, what are you doing? Hold on, I'm doing the park.
Be careful, okay?
Okay, get out of the park.
I know, we don't want you to take off.
I'm not finna take off.
I don't want you to hit anybody, okay?
I'm not finna hit anybody.
Let's put it in park. Let's put it in park.
Can you do that? Man, listen, get out of the park.
When he finally opened the door, they asked him to step out of the car, but he didn't want to and dragged the cops.
Crazy as hell. If I'm gonna step it,
you're good. Dude, you need to chill.
I'm gonna step on a hand on the highway.
You're in the middle of the highway.
You were asleep.
Dude, I'm not asleep.
We've been knocking on the door for 5 minutes.
Dude, you're a damn lie.
No, we're not, sir.
No, we're not.
Dude, you're a damn lie.
I'm sorry, you were sleeping.
I'm telling you right now, you've been asleep.
Dude, you're a damn lie.
I'm not.
You had anything to drink tonight?
No, I have not.
Any alcohol?
No, I have
any
not.
Illegal drugs, anything?
No, I have not.
Why was you sleeping?
Dude, I was not sleeping.
The police didn't waste any time. They started interrogating Eddie, trying to figure out why he was so intoxicated, and why it took him a whopping 5 minutes to open the car door, making a wrong parking. Eddie, however, adamantly denied it, even though his gestures and responses were a bit on the comical side.
The ground.
For what? For what?
Our hands.
For what?
You got cuffs?
For what?
Come on here. You got cuffs? Just stop.
Hi there.
For what?
Hold on, Eddie. There we go.
I'm good.
Hold tight. Hey, let us get you cuffs real quick and we'll talk to you, okay?
For what?
All right, man. Come on.
For what?
Come on, let's get up. You're not listening to us, man.
I'm not. Man, listen, y'all not even talking to me.
Let's turn around.
Y'all not even talking to me.
I'm trying to.
Y'all not even talking to me. For what? Y'all not even talking to me.
Hey, Eddie, you're passed out in the middle of the intersection.
Man, I'm not even passed out in the intersection. What are you talking about?
In a surprising turn of events, the police swiftly subdued Eddie, immobilizing him by restraining him with handcuffs from behind, as he shouted at the top of his voice, expressing his displeasure at the situation.
No. I'm close to the intersection.
Okay.
I'm close.
Hey, he's not gonna go in willingly.
Eddie, get up. Man, get up. Y'all got me here. Man, 10.
Hey, get up. Just listen to what we're saying.
Man, no. Fuck that.
Eddie, come on, Eddie.
Man, y'all got me goddamn up.
That's the dude Rowan fought out in Taylor. All right. It's definitely another DUI fourth. I think.
Hey, reach in there and cut my lights on.
You weren't getting power. Pull that out. Here.
Copy. I don't know if that's my blood or his blood.
I think it's his. I saw him bleeding.
He was passed out.
As soon as I saw who you're out with, I was like, He's gonna fight. Let's.
Oh, yeah.
They carefully combed through his truck, searching for any substances or items that could provide insight into what transpired.
Ray, he's a bad dude.
That's what he got on the back of the jersey right there. What is he talking about? So now you got 2 black officers over there. Look at it. Then you got 2 white officers overseeing them. Hold on, look at them now. You got 2 white officers overseeing them, and you got 2 black officers right there, right up on the report. No, you call it. I'm looking at it right now. You got 2 white officers overseeing 2 black officers, writing a report. And then, hey, guess what? At the end of the day, they gonna act like ain't nothing happened. They gonna go home and they gonna goddamn act like, well, okay, we just didn't incriminate no black man.
Eddie was transported to a medical facility, accompanied by watchful police officers. While he was there, his screams echoed through the room. His words were disjointed, resembling the ramblings of a person disconnected from reality. It was as if he had entered a state of madness, uttering meaningless expressions that left those around him perplexed.
Right?
I know the first name.
Hold on. Okay, Harley. And who else? I got a problem with the officers. Oh.
Hey, come on, let him check you out. Come on.
EMS is on scene at LCD.
Man, they don't beat me up already, man. They don't beat me up already. Then you want me to beat me up.
Hey, look,
Then you want me to beat me up.
I can't have that blood get in your eye, man.
Then you, goddamn it.
You trying to make sure that blood don't get in your eye, all right? All right, took those pictures now.
They already don't beat me up.
I took the pictures.
They already don't beat me up. Beat me up.
Come on.
Bro.
Look, he trying to help you. Come on, man. He trying to help you. Open your eye, man. Come on, open your eye, man. Open your eye.
Hey, oh yeah, so he can see over, okay?
Open your eye, man.
I'm finna go now, because you ain't cooperating with me now, because you trying to poke my eye out. Now,
check your eye.
You trying to poke my eye out.
Let him check it out.
Ooh,
Let him check your eye out.
Man,
Let him check your eye out.
we trying to make sure nothing happens to your eye, man.
Man, they poke my eye out now. He just tried to poke me out now.
Now he wanna check it out.
Man, he just tried to poke me out now.
In an attempt to assess his condition, medical staff and officers approached Eddie cautiously. They sought to gather samples from his teeth and eyes, hoping to uncover any potential clues that could shed light on his current state. However, Eddie, distrustful and fearful, refused to cooperate. He believed they wanted to harm him, convinced that their intentions were malicious.
Look at your pants. They don't even fit you, dude. But yet and still, you want to goddamn arrest me and pull me over or whatever for whatever reason. Look at your pants. They don't fit you.
Hey, was you drinking tonight?
No, not at all. But look at you. They don't even fit you.
That's the worst thing I've got. Then I'm doing pretty good.
Look at you. Look at your pants. Look at him. No, ain't nobody else. You see him? He looking out. If him, he looking out. Look at your pants. Look at him. Hey, look at his pants.
What's wrong with his pants?
They don't fit.
Amidst the chaos and confusion, one of the medical staff members suggested that Eddie be taken to another room for further examination and tests. However, Eddie vehemently resisted, adamantly refusing to be dragged into that room. He shouted at the top of his lungs, making a seemingly insane statement that the men around him were talking to a machine.
When you make your phone calls,
I
you
want
call
my
David.
attorney, I want my house call, I want all that.
Okay.
I want all that.
All right.
Man, listen, you can whisper, whatever you said, whisper in his ear, whatever, hey bro, whatever you said, whisper in your ear, man, come on, man.
No.
Y'all gotta stop, man. Y'all gotta stop. Y'all gotta stop, man. He just whispered some in your ear, and y'all gotta stop.
You want me to tell you what I told him?
Man, listen, y'all gotta stop, bro.
Right.
Listen, y'all gotta stop,
You asked.
bro.
Okay, you asked for your attorney, so I can't talk to you anymore.
I'm gonna get my attorney. It don't matter because y'all gonna stop what y'all doing, man. Y'all got them targeting young black men. That's what y'all do. Y'all target young black men, bringing them here. Then y'all like Maxine and him and a couple more. Y'all target us to make them seem like they the bad people.
After the unsuccessful attempt to move Eddie to another room, he was brought back to his initial position. However, his mind seemed to be a whirlwind of confusion and incoherence. He continued to utter senseless statements, rambling about various topics that made little to no sense. The police officers watched him closely, their expressions a mix of concern and bewilderment.
But he's not. He's only one of the few black enslaved people that was enslaved on the ship over here that was thinking that, okay, I'm doing a good justice because I got black people coming over here on the ship. No, he's one of the few. Look, hold on, look how he built. He look like he work out, right? I look like I work out, right? I do. I work out a lot. But he's one of the few that Maxine and the other officer gonna look at is like, oh, he got it going on. No, he's one of, hey, did you see how they just tapped each other right there? Him and the two white officers, they just tapped each other.
Now, I would rather you do this by yourself.
I need some water.
Okay?
I need some water. I've been really thirsty. The whole time I'm saying,
So after this, I got
no.
After this, I got you, okay?
Everybody been goddamn it. I've been trying to get a drink of water the whole time I've been here. No, ain't no help. No, ain't no help.
Not your hip.
No, ain't no help.
It's your arm, not your hip.
No.
I can go right here. I can go right there.
You did acting a damn
move
fool.
like this.
I could pop you upside your head.
What are you doing?
I'm about to let you out these cuffs.
A group of police officers was compelled to physically restrain Eddie, guiding him onto the seat. Despite his protests, they proceeded to gently take a blood sample from him. Eddie's voice rose in desperation as he screamed for water, a camera, and his lawyer, Dave Hill. Following the events that unfolded, Eddie Antonio Booker was charged with several offenses. These charges include a felony DUI, driving under the influence, fourth offense, instructing traffic disorderly conduct and resisting arrest.
Signing off for now. Tune in next time for another riveting episode.